Business growth is now tightly linked to the communication system you use. Your phone system isn't just there to make calls anymore. It's either helping you scale or quietly holding your growth back. If you're the person responsible for your company's phone system decisions and you're planning to grow in 2026, this video is for you. My name is Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, we're not just talking about upgrading your phones. We're talking about using VoIP as a growth strategy. But before we get started, I'd like to ask for your help. Can you help me by subscribing to our channel? Subscribing to our channel is absolutely free, and most importantly, it helps us grow our audience so that viewers, just like you, can find the information they are looking for. As you know, the business phone systems industry can be very confusing, and at times it can be very difficult to figure out which solutions make the most sense. My goal is to help simplify this information and the business phone system selection process for as many viewers as possible. So please, hit that subscribe button right now, and thank you so much for your support. Businesses across the world are moving to cloud-based VoIP systems for one main reason: flexibility. It's more cost-effective, it's easier to manage, and you can scale instantly without ripping out hardware every time your team expands. And here's something interesting. Experts say the global VoIP industry is set to more than double in the next decade, as more businesses switch from old phone systems to flexible cloud-based platforms. That tells you everything. Legacy systems are fading fast, and cloud communications is now the foundation for growth. Now, let's talk scalability. When your business grows from 5 employees to 25, or from 1 office to 3 locations, your phone system should not become a bottleneck. With traditional on-premise PBX systems, growth usually means new hardware, new wiring, new configuration, and sometimes a full system replacement. With cloud VoIP, growth means logging into a dashboard and adding extensions. That's it. Your communication system grows with you instead of forcing you into large capital expenses every time you expand.
Before we move on, I'm assuming the reason you're watching this video is because you're searching for business phone service. I want to remind you about our free consulting service to help you figure out which business phone system is best for you. We represent all the major service providers in the USA, and we're paid by referrals only, so our consulting service is absolutely free. If you'd like my help, all you have to do is visit our website at www.richtechnologygroup.com, and you can request help from my team and I via our Contact Us page. Filling out the form is super easy and takes less than a couple of minutes. So, if you're looking for a new phone system for your business, we can help. A link to our website is also in the description below this video.
Now let's talk about money, because growth requires cash flow. Most businesses that switch from traditional phone lines to VoIP reduce their communication costs by 25 to 40%. Some save even more when you factor in long distance, conferencing, and hardware maintenance. But here's the real advantage. VoIP changes your cost structure from heavy upfront capital expenses to predictable monthly operating expenses. That means instead of spending thousands on hardware upgrades, you can put that money into growing your business, like marketing, hiring, improving your product, or expanding into new markets. Many businesses see their VoIP investment pay for itself within the first year through savings. The extra margin goes straight back into fueling growth. Now let's talk productivity. Growth doesn't always mean hiring more people immediately. Sometimes it means helping your current team do more with the time they already have. Modern VoIP platforms include tools like auto attendance, smart call routing, call queues, voicemail to email, and real-time analytics. Auto attendance route callers automatically, so reception doesn't have to manually transfer every call. Soft phones let your team answer calls from laptops and mobile devices, whether they're in the office or remote. Analytics show peak call times, missed calls, and performance trends so you can fix bottlenecks quickly. Companies regularly report productivity improvements of around 20% after moving to modern cloud phone systems. That means your team can handle more calls, close more deals, and resolve more support tickets without immediately increasing payroll. That's how you grow output before you grow headcount. Now let's talk mobility and hiring flexibility. In 2026, remote and hybrid work isn't optional. It's normal. Cloud-based VoIP systems allow your employees to work from anywhere while still using your main business number. To your customers, it sounds like one unified office. Behind the scenes, your team could be spread across multiple states or time zones. This opens up your talent pool dramatically. You can recruit the best people wherever they are. That kind of flexibility directly supports growth. Now here's where it all connects to revenue. Customer experience. Modern VoIP systems give you advanced tools that used to be reserved for large contact centers. Call recording for quality control and training. CRM integrations that pull up customer data instantly when someone calls. When your phone system integrates with your CRM and support tools, every call becomes measurable. So, there you have it. Scaling with VoIP in 2026 isn't just about modernizing your phones, it's about putting the right foundation in place to grow revenue, boost efficiency, protect your cash flow, and stay flexible in how and where you run your business. Have you already switched to VoIP, or are you still using a traditional phone system? And what's been your experience so far, good or bad? Your feedback really helps us understand what topics to cover next, so we can create better content and better serve you. Again, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to help us get this information to as many viewers like you as possible. Also, if you found this video helpful or insightful, hit that like button right now and feel free to let us know your opinion about today's topic in the comments below. This is Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and I'll see you again in the next video.